All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Chip Lasky of Unity Tactical and TNVC, and he's going to show us this very cool new product they've got. It's called the Hot Button. So let's take a look at it.
All right, guys. So Hot Button is basically a very small remote pressure switch system that'll attach directly to M-LOK. We also make a 1913 version, so if you want to put it at the 12 o'clock position. But basically, you've got a 45-degree angle, which is a much more natural angle for pressing the light. This going in from the side is actually a super unnatural angle, but being able to just very quickly come in here with a momentary or click it for constant, this is going to actually keep your hand in a much more natural position. We're making this for Surefire, Streamlight, and standard crane-style laser cables. So your PEC 15 Apiols, D-Ball, the B.E. Myers Mall, Wilcox Raid, all that kind of stuff.
So these are going to back and forth and stuff like that, or what?
Well, you'd basically get a specific hot button for a specific device.
Gotcha.
We will also be releasing a dual lead version, so you could plug it into your laser and your light. So if you want them slaved together, so every time you press the hot button, you get like a visible laser and your light, then that's the one that you're going to want to get. It's going to be available May, June timeframe. All made in the U.S., machined aluminum, anodized. Good to go. So
plugs right into the M-LOK.
Plugs right into M-LOK.
Very cool. Thank you very much, Chip. Really appreciate it. We're at the Unity Tactical booth at SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.